Forget Spider-Man. Nature already made its own superheroes, and they don't wear capes. They crawl, swim, glow, regenerate, explode, and most of them look like rejected Pokemon. These are the animals that make science go, wait, they can do what? 1. Tardigrade, the indestructible blob. Tiny, squishy, practically invisible, and nearly impossible to kill. Meet the tardigrade, aka the water bear. It can survive boiling water, freezing temps, radiation, the vacuum of space, and even your last relationship. How? It dries itself into a little raisin and comes back years later like nothing happened. It's not cute, it's terrifying. Basically a micro-zombie marshmallow. 2. Immortal jellyfish, the real-life reset button. Most creatures age. This one just doesn't. The immortal jellyfish has a trick. When it gets old, injured, or stressed, it reverts to its baby form, like Benjamin Button but slimier. And it can do this over and over, which means in theory, it could live forever. Unless of course something eats it, because being immortal doesn't protect you from becoming sushi. 3. Bombardier beetle, the exploding butt bug. This beetle doesn't run, it doesn't hide, it literally explodes from the rear. When threatened, the bombardier beetle sprays a chemical mix that reaches 100 degrees Celsius, creating a tiny chemical explosion with every blast. It's a walking science experiment, with a built-in flamethrower butt. I don't know if it's gross or genius, but either way I'm impressed. 4. Axolotl, the regeneration king. Axolotls are cute, smiley, and forever young, but don't let the face fool you. This creature has healing powers straight out of Marvel. It can regrow limbs, organs, spinal cord, parts of its heart, and yes, even its brain. Meanwhile, I get a paper cut and act like I need medical leave. Also, it never undergoes full metamorphosis. It just stays in baby mode forever. Basically, it's the Peter Pan of the pond. 5. Electric eel, the underwater taser. Who needs fists when you've got 600 volts of electricity in your face? The electric eel generates electric shocks using special cells called electrocytes, enough to stun prey or zap a human unconscious. Fun fact, Benjamin Franklin once tried to measure them. He got shocked. We haven't learned since. It's not just an eel, it's nature's taser. 6. Mimic octopus, the master of disguise. This is the mimic octopus, and it can impersonate over 15 different animals. It stretches, bends, and color shifts into sea snakes, lionfish, jellyfish, flatfish, basically whatever scares off predators that day. Nature said, give this thing 8 arms and acting lessons. And it aced the role. So let's recap. 1 can't die, 1 explodes from its butt, 1 electrocutes enemies, and 1 regenerates like a lizard on steroids. These animals didn't just survive evolution, they hacked it. Nature's weird, unpredictable, sometimes terrifying, but always impressive. Subscribe for more wild facts, weird biology, and creatures that make sci-fi look lazy.